Honey, our website's on fire.
Oh, that's great.
I wonder if I can use this for something more. My name's Triston Goodwin. I own Utah SEO Ninja, and I have helped 500,000 people build and optimize their Weebly websites on YouTube. Now, I have a course that I'm promoting. It's pretty good. You might even say that it's fire. And the idea is to help you guys to build your online business. So, if that's something you guys are interested in, definitely check out the course. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which you guys will find a link to that here on the screen somewhere, because we're getting ready to release our Weebly 2020 tutorial series. We're going to talk about everything from conversion rate optimization to monetizing your blogs. So if that's something you guys are interested in, make sure to check it out. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got to put this website to use. Why am I even doing this? I work online.